Phone connected.
It's a beautiful day. Black cloud up there, like. Just been down to the Metro Centre to G&S to pick up a new helmet. I ordered one yesterday, but then I thought I got confused. I got mixed up with the two different helmets, so I rang them up and told them to cancel it. So they must have rung the courier because it's been recalled and sent back down to the G&S warehouse. So I'll be getting refunded for that one. But anyhow, I've been down to G&S in Gateshead just to try them on. And I mean, I've always had a medium helmet, but I mean, this one's a medium and everything flipping for God knows how long it's been a medium. But I tried the medium on and in the shop there, G&S, like, it was quite tight. Like, I think I would end up with a headache wearing that. Like, so, but I tried a large on, and it was a good firm fit. So pleasant lads, them, like, aren't they? What was I going to say? It was still a nice firm fit, but it wasn't as tight, obviously, as the medium. So. And they did have they had one there, so anyhow I bought that one, so it's in the trunk at the back, in the top box, in the bloody swap pack, whatever you want to call it. It's a Scorpion Exo-Tech carbon. Pretty helmet, and a little bit lighter than the fiberglass ones, but I wouldn't say a massive amount, but still a little bit lighter, so that's got to help me neck muscles. Yeah, I went down to 696 into the Pontoon and whatever, and then I came back 69 and 68, so it's been a bit of a round trip, so pleasant. This shirt, I usually have the grey one on. I've had the grey one for years and years, bobhead Kevlar shirt. And I love it a bit, like, but I mean, I bought this one last year. It's a bobhead. It's a new Kevlar shirt, orange and black, or red and black. It's supposed to be orange and black, like. As I said, the new one last year, and it's not as warm as the old one. I tell you, this lets a bit of wind through. The old one lets absolutely nothing through. It's not a nice shirt, right? But not as good as the original one, like, I'm afraid, a bobhead. So I don't know if anybody, I mean, I'm sure people's mentioned it to them, like, but I'm going to drop them a line and say, like, oh, not as good as the original one, son. Lets too much air through it, lets too much cold through it. I mean, I don't know what it's like in the rain because it's never been wet, like, but the other one doesn't even let rain through it, like, it's that good. It's absolutely that good. You'll be pissing down, and my bloody t-shirt and my bloody skin underneath stays dry, like. Never mind. Anyhow, I just can't do Rochester. This will only be a little short video of the last bloody 15-20 miles or something of the trip. Oh, there's a spot of rain on the windscreen, so I might get to trust it with the rain yet. It's that bloody grey black cloud up there, like a boss, you are. Boss, you are. Now the G&S anyway, bringing with it being the display model, the kind of discount in the said, in the VAT free anyway helmet, so just. But anyhow, I managed to get it. He put a large bottle of helmet visor cleaner in, so at least I got something out of it. Which I wouldn't have got if that one online had come through, like. Well, if that had come through, it would have been no good. We would have had to go back anyway, because it would be too tight. It was a medium. Yes, it's gonna rain on us, the boss to it. Sunshine over there, like where we're going. Just this big great. Well, when you look around, like, I mean, flip the sky, blue, clear. Well, we're not clear, but blue, fluffy clouds. But over here, woo, yes, oh. Across the northwest. Or the west. Probably, no, the west, I'll come off the west. The northwest. North. Oh, that's right. Climbing up. Entering the Reedsdale Forest. Dead ahead. Keeler Forest to the left. Reedsdale Forest dead ahead. And I'll be right in the middle of the two of them. Yeehaw! I'm in need of a cup of coffee, like. The old bike's a bit dirty and splashed up now, like. A few dead bugs on it. That's a few dead bugs for anybody who lives outside of Geordie land. Keeler, Reedsdale Forest. You know, we're in the middle of the road, so I'm say, in case out come from either side, because the GR runs across this road regularly, they get clattered as well, like. And I didn't want one running in front of me on a bike, that's for sure. The right hander here, so we're going to have to move off the middle of the road. And then come back across to the centre of the road, just for the gear. I mean, it's not a lot, not a lot of extra time it'll give you, but you've got more chance in the middle, in my opinion, than what you have to the left. If out comes out the left, like, you've got no chance of missing it. If you're on the right and the left of the rest of, well, left of the lane. Yes, okay. Thank you very much. Not just home, back into the sunshine. Yeehaw! This is a bugger to get back into neutral when it's warm. But it is. Up there we go. Got a bit of an end. I think they're blowing it. Exhaust blowing a bit there, I think. Just come out of service and all. Last week out of service. My hands are flipping freezing. Got heated grips on here, like, but they weren't switched on, obviously. Oh, they were switched on number one. I don't know how that was. I know, they weren't. That must have been... I didn't purposely switch them on. Right, folks, see you in a bit.